No, no, media in this country, I'm telling you, the problem is everybody wants to be a podcaster. सबको बैठ के वहाँ पे क्रोमा स्टूडियो में बैठ के एनालिसिस करनी है, किसी को रिपोर्टिंग नहीं करनी. Otherwise, Pinky ji, the question is, why could they not have, why have they slapped only section 3 and 5 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988, two sections of Juvenile Justice Act? Why have they not charged Vishal Agarwal, father, under IPC section 128, criminal conspiracy or abetment section 107? तो ये समझते हैं हमको law पता नहीं है. The father is part of a criminal conspiracy.
Absolutely.
See, the point I think that you've made is even assuming anything, the question of sections is one part of it.
Yeah.
But really to lead the system astray, that is a problem. Because
Yes.
in our country, criminal investigation suffers principally because investigation is flawed. To collect two samples, to give the benefit, that too with the duration of 4 hours, as you mentioned, before or after the MLA, I don't know what the sequence was.
Yeah.
So I'll leave it at that.
Yeah.
But the point is, why should you have two samples and that too at different points of
No,
time? That means it's a clear opening for an indication that it will be challenged at some point. Either one sample will go bad, and you come out the first sample will go bad, the second sample will prove
So it's well known. So
behavior.
you are leaving that leeway. Each sample, if one of the samples goes bad, that can be used against the other. So you want to create an element of doubt. And whenever an element of doubt comes before the court, the person is given the benefit of doubt. It's our system. You think we don't know the way the system runs? We know it, sir. We know it, ma'am. We'll take two callers back to back. Can the callers, people first, Bhargavi is calling in from Mumbai. Bhargavi, hi.
Yes, sir. Firstly, I would like to appreciate the coverage you have done. It's because only of the media pressure, that this case has gotten attention and the Juvenile Justice Board has taken some action. But I really think that, we need to have some reforms in the judiciary because it happens
I agree.
each and every time.
I agree, Bhargavi. I agree,
BJP
Bhargavi.
has-
Mr. Bhosle is saying something. 1 minute, Bhargavi, just hold on. Bhosle ji, आप कुछ कह रहे हैं? हाँ, बोलिए. Bhosle ji, बोलिए.
हाँ सर जी, आपने अभी मैं सुना कि आप पूना में, हाँ आप पूना में 2-3 साल पढ़ाई किए
जी.
मैं अभी सुना है वो टाइम का पूना और अभी के पूना में बहुत फर्क है सर. अभी जो पहले का पूना था वो पूना शहर बोले तो सांस्कृतिक राजधानी विद्या का माहिर घर था. अब ये पब संस्कृति बन गया है सर. पूना पूरा खत्म हो गया पूरा पूना हमारा. बम्बई में भी पब है.
नहीं जो लोग ये
लोगों को कायदा सुव्यवस्था
नहीं जो लोग देखिए आप और हम जैसे लोग अगर बैठ के कहेंगे कि पूना बदल गया उससे नहीं होगा. ये सिर्फ पुणे की बात नहीं है, ये कल्चर बन गया. जिनके हाथ में आसानी से पैसा आता है वो समझते हैं सिस्टम को कुछ भी कर सकता है. और ये सिर्फ पुणे में नहीं, मुंबई में सब जगह चल रहा है. ये राकेश मुंबई से फोन कर रहे हैं. राकेश जी गो अहेड. राकेश जी प्लीज गो अहेड.
I think there
Louder,
is one
please.
more point.
इतने
Even the judge who has given the bail should be asked the question. To what education he has done? How can you give a bail to a person with such a insane type of the criminal act?
That is my
He should
point.
have not given the bail. Why we are not raising the question to the judge?
See, I'll tell you, Rakesh ji, Neelam Krishnamurthy can answer that. Because in our country, the media is also afraid of the judiciary. You should not be afraid. You should respect the judiciary, but you should not be afraid. If someone in the judiciary has made a mistake, the person should be punished. You can't say I'm above questioning. Punish the judiciary. Punish the chief of the Juvenile Justice Board. What do you think, Neelam? Nobody is questioning the Juvenile Justice Board here because they have a semi-judicial kind of magisterial position.
Absolutely, because everybody is scared that there's going to be a contempt of court. I'll just tell you a small anecdote.
नहीं, मैं पहले
when
interview
the
लूँगा, उसके बाद
sentencing of
break
my
लेंगे.
tampering case was pronounced,
नहीं.
I was shocked when the judge, while reducing the sentence of Ansals from 7 years to 8 months, he stated in the open court, if victims have suffered, so have Ansals. How could a judge equate the suffering of the victims with Ansals? I mean, I was too shocked. And the judges get away with everything?
Yeah.
We need to question them. I think it's time judiciary needs to be questioned.
Yeah, so what I'm going to do right now...
Arnab.
Yeah, Subhash, please unmute करिए.
I'm sorry. Miss Arnab, I think we are missing a point. In case of Ansal, in case of, there was a fire in 2017 December in Mumbai, in an area where you had your office earlier, that was Kamla Mill compound, where 14 people died because of the burn injuries.
Yeah.
Then so many people got injuries. They were all injured, badly injured.
Yeah.
Now, recently in Mumbai, as recently as on 13th of May, you must have seen the hoarding of the size of 120 by 120 feet, which went into the Limca books of world record as against the permissible size of 40 into 40 feet. Down.
Yeah.
So the question is, not even in Ansal's case, not even in this hoarding case, or in the other case of Kamla Mill, the police personnel or the corporation personnel were prosecuted. Ultimately, who grants the permission? I was trying to do some research. In case of hoarding, the permission is granted by the Commissioner of Police Traffic. The permission is granted by the corporation.
Correct.
Officials. Now, they are the ones who are to be prosecuted. They are the ones who are required to be sent to jail. We are missing point. And so long as that does not happen, things are not going to improve.
No, I think we are looking at this case, Swapnil, as a...
I'd like to come in here.
Yes, Neelamji. Yes, Neelamji, go on.
I'd just like to correct the speaker who spoke before me. In case of Opar, they had prosecuted the MCD officials, the DVB employees, that is Delhi Vidyut Board, and the Delhi fire officials. No, nobody was spared, but unfortunately, the Supreme Court let all of them walk free. That is the problem, after upholding the conviction. Because all that was considered was the old age for the Delhi Fire Service guy also. The only people who served sentence was Delhi Vidyut Board, who were held guilty for, for the improper repairs. So yes, in the Upar case, except the DCP licensing has been let out free by the Supreme Court once again, because it did not have the sanction to be prosecuted.
So
and that happened last year in the month of April.
So what I want to do...
The judicial JJB.
JJB,
One
what?
short point, Arnab. Arnab,
yes,
why did the JJB give such an adverse order, a perverse order?
I'm telling you, the JJB must be investigated. Unless you investigate the JJB, there will be no justice in this case. It's all otherwise cosmetic.
Post-Republic impact, JJB
I think...
Why does it have to cancel the bail?
I think Mr. Danwade, a person called L.N. Danwade, should also be brought in for questioning on why he took such a, lenient view of the case. Pinky, am I asking for too much? You think?
Yes, I think you are, sir.
Why? Why?
I mean, I'll tell you why.
No, because, okay, let me put my point to you. This is the most bizarre decision of JJB. 7,500 rupees, 300-word essay. Do an internship with the traffic police. But you are telling me you can't question them because they are JJB. Because they are judicial or semi-judicial. Why can't I? That means I have no rights as a citizen of India. At one right, I have to forsake all my rights and say, I will have to go with the decision. I can scream my lungs out. But the people who have made the mistake will never be brought for questioning. Why?
The judgment can be appealed against. Action can be taken against the JJB. But by higher
What action can be taken against the JJB?
Just let me tell you what happened with the skin-to-skin contact. The judge was removed for making those comments in the same kind of situation, which actually precipitated the situation further. And it ultimately led up to strictures being passed by the court. I'm not disagreeing with you in principle.
Sir, I'm asking on a matter of principle, sir. The courts are also citizens of this country. The honorable judges are citizens of this country. Their family members can also be victims of this kind of an attitude. If the JJB is not pulled up here, then we've not really gone to the core